continues to suffer from extreme rainfall. On August 29, abnormal downpours hit Gifu and Nya prefectures. Some areas received 136 millimeters of rain per square meter. Floods were recorded in the cities of Gifu and Yakkaichi. A number of roads and streets were flooded.
ここ気をつけな。ここ危ないで。ここ危ないです。
Rainy weather will continue for 2 more days. Traffic was stopped in some sections. There were no reports of casualties. The Japan Meteorological Agency said there was a risk of natural disasters. The local government reminds the public to reduce going out to avoid danger.
The information in the video shows an incident on the 5th of September 2022 in South Korea. Super Typhoon Hinamner has gradually moved northwards to reach waters of South Korea's southern island of Jeju. The state weather agency has said that the country braces for what could be the most powerful storm ever. After brushing past Jeju, Typhoon Hinamner is forecast to gain momentum to make landfall 80 kilometers north-northwest of the southern port city of Busan. The typhoon could also bring record-strong winds with the maximum speed of 190 km per hour to 240 km per hour in Jeju and other lower coastal areas. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.